Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we will set up the Databricks. Okay, so in my previous video of the PySpark series, we were performing the Spark into the offline computer, right? So suppose like if you have not set up or you're not able to set up this PySpark environment locally, then how you can do into the Databricks? So how you can practice data like PySpark on Databricks? So Databricks used to give the free community edition. So what you have to type, you have to type Databricks Community Edition. Okay, so once you will come into the Community Edition, right, it will give some free benefits, and like in this, right, you have to sign up and you have to register to that. So let's check how we will do. And you have to not like need any Azure subscription or Azure portal subscription. So what you have to do, you have to go to the simply sign up. You have to give your first name, like just give any name. I'll give so just give the country as a India. Okay. Once you will give India, then like wait, let me pass India. Then no need to give this question why you are using what you are going to build on this, and just click on continue. Once you will click continue, it will ask for the AW, but you have to not go. You have to go for the personal use and get us started with the community edition. Once you will click over here, it will ask you for the email verification. Okay. So let it be finished. Once it will start loading, it has been. Now we have to, what you have to click over your mail ID. You have to verify. Once you will verify your email that it's a correct email, then it will ask for the email. Okay, and once you will pass your email ID, it will share a code, login code. You have to give that login code, BCE4EX, BCE4EX. So you have logged in, right? You have successfully logged in. Now from here you can create a notebook. Once you will create a notebook, you have to create a compute server and all those things. So in my next video, I'll give one example. I'll take a one CSV file or any file, and I'll load a data into the catalog. In catalog, you can upload the files. I'll upload the files, and we can perform any operation. You have to connect this. Cluster, you have to create and attach the cluster, create, attach, run. It will start running the cluster, and one cluster will be available for 1 hour. If you will not perform anything, it will be idle for 1 or 2 hour. It will auto get uh, like a stopped. So you have to take care of these things, and you can perform online all those things, like all the PySpark operation. Like you can read the file, you can manipulate the file, you can save the file, you can create a table, attach a table, many operations we will look into the next video. So I hope you could set up this Databricks environment. If there will be any problem, let me know. I'll help you in this.